Hi guys, let's talk about oceans. Very quickly, I wanted you to take a look at this and just see the currents that we have going all throughout all of our oceans on Earth. And you'll notice that the arrows are different colors to kind of signify different temperatures. The blue ones are going to be cool water, while the red ones are warm water. And you'll notice that the red ones originate near the equator, right? Here's the equator right here, this line right here. And so that's going to be very warm because it's receiving direct sunlight, right? And so water that comes from this area and then moves, right, whether it's moving down this way or up this way, is going to be warm water. And then water that is cool, right, originates towards the poles. So down here near Antarctica, up here near the Arctic, coming down this way, it's actually bringing cooler water to different areas of the ocean. And actually, the reason why England, right, Europe right here is actually warmer than it should be, because look at how it's blue right here, right? So it should be pretty cold in this area at this latitude. It's actually warmer than it should be because of this warm Gulf Stream current that comes up this way and brings warm water this way. Otherwise, it would be really, really cold here, okay? But it's not because of these warm ocean currents. And so this affects climate all throughout Earth. This is basically the layers of the ocean. I love this picture because it shows you examples of the different animals that live in these at these depths. So you're going to copy this onto your notes, right? We have the epipelagic sunlight zone. This is going to be the area where we do have photosynthesis happening because the sunlight does reach this area. Then we have the twilight zone, not so much sunlight, right? And these animals that live here, which is called the mesopelagic zone. Then we have the bathypelagic zone. This is where we have anglerfish and squid and blobfish. And then a little bit deeper, we have the abyssal pelagic zone, or the abyss. It's getting pretty deep here. And then very, very bottom, we have the hadopelagic zone, which is in the trenches, the very deepest part of the ocean. We're going to have sea cucumbers and tube worms and some starfish that live down here. Here, you're going to cut out the pictures and cut out the summaries and determine if it is a positive or a negative effect on the ocean. So this is basically how people affect the ocean. Here are your answers. So we affect the ocean, right, through plastics and other trash, right, littering and things. That's a negative effect. Technically pollution, right? Oil spills is also pollution. Sewage and runoff is pollution. And then we have overfishing, right? When we fish too much and we take adult breeding fish out of the population. And then also habitat destruction. This is the best picture that I could find. But also, you know, this is going to be near the ocean, right, on the beach, that we can destroy habitat as well. The positive things that we do is we build artificial reefs to build back these habitats. We do coastal cleanup to pick up litter. And we pass laws and policy that help protect areas of the ocean. Okay, so that's it about the ocean. Please let me know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.